Student, now we will discuss about the another topic, nature of society. Let's start the notes. What is the nature of society? Society. Man is a social animal. In this context, society plays an important role. Society is the study of social process. Society is the study of social process, social group, individual and other social organization. Understand? A number of theories have been put forward to explain. A number of theories have been put forward to explain the society. Explain about society. Society is creation of God. Society is creation of God. Just God created all animals and inanimate objects in this world. So He created society as well. Man is not born human, nor is he born social, but he becomes both through interaction and intercommunication between the members of the primary groups. Here, man is not born human, nor is he born social. That means a man is born with biologically. A man is born with biologically, and he is not born with social. And he is not born with social because he is socialized by, a man is socialized by interaction and intercommunicated to each other or between the members of primary group. Understand? This is the nature of society. This is the nature of society. Now, community. In a simple word, community means a group of people lives in a locality. Understand? Now, according to definition of community, according to Ogburn and Nimkov, a group of collection of groups that inhabits a locality. Community means, according to Ogburn and Nimkov, a group or collection of groups that inhabits a locality. Again, another sociologist, Lundberg, according to Lundberg, a human population living within a limited geographic area. A human population living within a limited geographic area and carrying in a common independent life is known to be community. That means we all live in Assam, that our community is Assamese community. Understand? Now, another sociologist, according to Ginsberg, the community may be described as the entire population. According to him, according to Ginsberg, the community may be described as the entire population and they keeping a certain territories or in case of a certain territory. Understand? The community may be described as the entire population keeping a certain territories, or in case of nomads habitually moving. Here in case of nomad means, nomad is a tribal group of people. Nomads is a tribal group of people. The member of people, nomads, in nomads, all people are traveled from one place to another place to find fresh pasture for their own animals, and they have no any own home. Understand? In a simple word, it is nomads are immigrants. So, in case of nomads habitually moving, they are habitually moving in association, hold together by a common system of rules regulating the intercourse of life. Understand? This is three definitions of community described by sociologists.